Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to apply particles in CapCut video. So first you need to import the video to the timeline, and after that you need to click on the video, and on the right side you will see that there are four options: video, animation, adjust and all style AI styles. You need to click on the adjust, and now scroll down until you found particles under the effects. So here you can adjust the particles as per your requirement. For example, I am applying particles to the 100% on the video. So now you can play it and check. And here you can see that the particle ratio is quite heavy. And if you want to apply particulars on the certain part of the video, what you have to do is you need to select the starting point of the video where you want to apply particulars, and then you need to click on this diamond button and select the particles to 100% and select the ending point where you want to finish the particulars. So here again click on this diamond button, and now let's play it how it looks. You will see that in the beginning there is no particulars, and from this point to this point the particulars will be appeared on the video. Let's play it, and here you can see that, and now it is gone. So in this way you can easily apply particulars in your video to make some cinematic look. So if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.